Hi, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Katie. I'm a yoga and meditation instructor and a cranio and somatoemotional release healer. I've been working with children and adults for over 8 years now, and I actually learned how to meditate and do breathwork from my mom as a child, which has served my life and my life purpose, really. So working with children is really something I'm quite passionate about. I think it's really important to learn natural tools to nourish our nervous system, because ultimately we are the only ones that can help ourselves. So by learning these tools at a young age, we have them for the rest of our life, and hopefully we get to share them with others. I'm very passionate about the body. I'm very passionate about physiology, the nervous system, and just finding natural tools to support ourselves. So I hope to be able to share that with you here. You're welcome to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, or send me an email or a question through the website. I look forward to working with you.